I threw eggs into the pasta and the result impressed chefs all over the world. In a pot with boiling water, I'll add 180 grams of pasta, 1 teaspoon of salt, and let it cook. Our pasta is cooked, so we'll drain all the water and transfer it to a bowl. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Daniel Wright from Boston. I'm really happy you're enjoying our recipes. In a bowl, I'll add 3 eggs. One teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and whisk until smooth. After that, we'll pour the beaten eggs over it and mix everything together. Now I'll add 70 grams of shredded mozzarella and mix again. Tell me how you make pasta with eggs at home. I'd love to know your recipe. In a pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Make pasta this way next time. You won't regret the result. Once melted, I'll pour in our pasta cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After that, we'll remove the lid and flip it over with the help of a plate. I'm sure your family will love this idea and ask you to make it all the time because it's that delicious. Now we'll add shredded mozzarella to taste on top. To give it a special touch, we'll sprinkle chopped chive to taste. Cover and let it cook until the cheese melts. It turns out so amazing that I can't eat just one slice.